morning.
Today I want to discuss with you about violence, and I want to give you 5 questions about the violence. Okay, the first, what do you think about the violence?
Okay, let me answer it first. Okay, violence is when a person or group uses force, power, or aggression to harm another people, control them, or cause damage. It can happen in home, school, workplace, or even between countries.
Okay, I got it. And what do you think about the violence?
I think violence is the use of force to harm or control others using injury or suffering.
Okay, the second question is, what are the psychological and physical effects of violence on victims?
Okay. The effect of violence on our bodies, such as bruises and disabilities, and the effect on mental psychology are disturbed by prolonged trauma and can even lead to suicide because of the trauma experienced. Yes.
And you?
The psychology and physical effect of violence can include trauma, anxiety, depression, and physical injury like breaks and broke bones.
Okay, the third question. What are some common types or example of violence in your community or country?
Lately, we got an example such as in the some university, some people get sexual violence, and that's so scary. Because as we know, it plays to learn and study, but full people ruin with their foolish.
Okay, you?
Common types of violence include domestic violence, bullying, assault, sexual violence, and also gang violence.
Okay. Next question. In your opinion, what steps can the government take to reduce violence?
Maybe government give punishment fair and not tolerate with whatever violence is, so people can be pressured with the rule and follow the rule.
Okay.
It's my opinion.
Okay, got it. And you?
In my opinion, is to reduce violence, the government can improve laws enforcement, victim support, service education, and conflict resolution, and also mental health care. That the most important is, I think, in my mind. That.
Okay, last questions. What can individuals and communities do to help prevent violence?
I think we should help victims of violence by giving them care and support. First, we need to make sure they are safe and protected. They need a place where they feel calm and not afraid. We should also give them help for their mental health, like talking to counselors or therapists. It is important to listen to them and believe their story so they don't feel alone. They should get legal help if they want justice. We also need to teach people how to respect others and solve problems without violence. This can help stop violence before it starts.
You?
Individual and communities can prevent violence by promoting respect, standing up against bullying, supporting those at risk, and proving safe place for dialogue.
Okay, do you have any question for me?
Okay, I have one for you. Have you ever come across a case of bullying around you?
Yes. I found a small example of bullying when I was little. In school, when I was little, my friends and I often call each other by our parents' names. And I just realized that I was in act of bullying that I had experience.
Thank you.
Okay, in the last hour discussion, thank you for your being in this section, and maybe we can meet in other discussion. Okay, thank you for your participation.
Okay, you're welcome.
You're welcome, Miss.